Hey everybody, Sharon here with LNA Little Flowers. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching today. I'm an excited new album to show everybody. Yay! My favorite TV show. Yay! Well, anyway, so I thought I would do an album inspired by it. So let's go over what I did. I actually made this frame from a mold that I have. This is a resin frame. So if you want to, you can put a picture in here if you want. But it is all the way glued down. So, and these stickers right here were from a sticker collection that I got off of Amazon. This is from the paper collection that I used. This is the paper collection that I used by Echo Park Paper Company. Coffee. Right? Yeah, coffee collection. Okay. Alright. Alright, so, and then the spine is 1.5 inches. There is only 2 inserts. Or signatures, inserts, whatever you want to call them, 2 pages in here, but they have a lot of bang for your buck. So you're gonna get this album has a lot of room for photos and journaling in here. So this is the front, and that is the back. Okay, and this, the purple paper, does not come with any collection. It was just there's some 65-pound weight cardstock that I got from Michael's. Alright. Oh, and this little sticker has some of the sayings on there. It's one of my favorite ones, stupid guy on my phone. Okay. So, open the page. This is a sticker that came with the collection, and special friends stickers. And here it opens up, and right here, instead of putting a magnet, I put a Velcro one. So this is from when Rachel tells Ross that she's pregnant. That was funny. Okay. So anyway, for this, you can put a picture, and you can that. And this is a belly band, and it opens up just to put some photos. And let's see, and there will be a tag here. So, okay, this page, there is a tag over here. Just room for photos. And here, it's a nice pocket, and this opens up, so lots of room. And there's a sticker for that, and a pull out. This one is a favorite page of mine. There's a little tag right here. Opens up. And so you can see lots of room for pictures and writing about it. And then here we have this one. A little tag. And this, it opens up like that. I like that episode. So here's this. And this opens up for more. Another tag in here. And this is what, and so lots of room for photos, and another nice big pull out. And then here we have this, a tag. And it opens up, photo mat, and this will come up so you can put a photo there. And this, you can put a picture right here. And there's a tag right here. And some more tags, and special one. It swivels. So okay. And then this one, waterfall. So, yeah. All right, and then that is the end. So you can see this will fit nicely on, won't take much space, and you get a lot of pictures in here. Lots of fun. So, you know, if you have any questions on what I did, leave me a comment below. Hit that like and subscribe button. And as always, happy crafting. Later.